welcome to my channel, first of all. Second of all, I'm wondering if you're also a victim of Starbucks's schemes. I don't know what they are, but I'm not happy about it. A lot of you guys know that I was going through kind of a personal storm for a couple weeks. We had some tragic things happen in our life. Other videos will talk about that. Right now we're in a good mood and we're talking about good things. However, during this 2-week storm, Starbucks did something really sneaky and I am not happy about it. They produced these amazing color changing cups and they only produced like a certain amount of them. So by the time I even learned about them, they were sold out everywhere. But there were just enough of them for people to get their hands on them and post the amazing videos that they are doing with these cups and tutorials. But wait, Starbucks, I'm going to outsmart your schemes. What we are going to do today is we are going to make our own color changing Starbucks cups. We're going to use Starbucks cups. So Starbucks, you still win. We're still getting your cups to do this with. And we're going to turn them into color changing cups, okay? We're gonna be using color changing mica powder and you can get this in the description below, all right? So let's get going. I really hope this works out because if not, I just complained about Starbucks and there's nothing I can still do about it. But I'm excited for this and I think that it's gonna be okay. I think we're gonna be fine. So let's make our own color changing cups and hey, we're not gonna have to hope that Starbucks comes out with more because I was personally told they're not coming out with any more and I was kind of sad. But then I was like, new solution, okay? So we're gonna do that. 2, we're also going to decorate it because everybody's already got the color changing cups and they're decorating them. We're gonna make the color changing cups and then we're gonna decorate them. So let's get going on it now.
All right, so we're gonna start with our silicone cup that you can get at shopauntie.com. This is a must-have when you're doing epoxy because it allows you to let it dry and just pop it right out. So you don't have to reuse cups all the time and it helps you in the long run with cleanup and all the things. Okay, so we're gonna mix our epoxy like you do normally. If you need to know more on how to use epoxy, make sure to watch our Tumblr series part 1 and part 2 so you can learn all the things epoxy. So we're just gonna slowly mix this for 5 minutes and then we're going to add in our color changing powder, which you can also get on shopauntie.com in lots of cool colors. So we're just gonna slowly mix this in until it completely mixes into the epoxy. This also helps because it will continue to mix your epoxy and make sure that you get it fully mixed. It's really important to make sure your epoxy's super mixed together because every part A has to mix with part B. Okay, so once it's like a frosting consistency, we're going to add glitter. We don't want to add as much glitter as if we were going to cover the entire cup. We're just going to add enough to show through when the color changes. And that's really up to you how much you want to add. So I added about 1/4 of the amount of the total epoxy we had. So like 1 part glitter to 4 part epoxy. And then I just mixed it in. And I didn't even paint my cup and you're gonna see how good this covers. Oh, I'm actually using the color Oodalolly. It's available as well on my website, shopauntie.com. And members always get 20% off of all of our products. So if you wanna become a member because you wanna buy this stuff all the time, go ahead and do that on auntie.com. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover this like I would and let it dry, and it absolutely looks amazing when it's all done.